This is Caleb. He builds the coolest Lego towers. But his room? It's a total disaster zone. One day, Caleb needed his red sneakers for a birthday party. But guess what? They were gone. Under the bed, just a crusty sandwich. In the toy box, a pirate hat and a rubber chicken. Harper, Caleb's sister, walks in, holding a doll and smirking. Maybe the dinosaurs took it. Then, Caleb remembered the pillow fort he built last week. He crawled inside, and boom! Sneaker Central. After that, he cleaned his whole room and found lost socks, old toys, and a comic book he thought he lost forever. Just like Caleb's tiny cleanup led to a big discovery, your little click on subscribe can help us share more fun stories with kids just like you. Now Caleb keeps it clean, because shoes don't belong in castles. Moral: a clean room hides sweet surprises.